Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and OS so you make the right changes. Once you know the model, open Settings and use the search bar to find Do Not Disturb or Focus. This avoids digging through menus. Make sure your screen is unlocked and you can authenticate if prompted. This first step ensures you land in the correct control panel quickly. If you see a toggle at the top, you're in the right place. Prepare to adjust rules and scheduled times next. Now dive into the detailed rules. Review schedules, allowed contacts, and app exceptions. You should tap each rule to see why a notification was silenced. If a schedule is active, disable it. If a contact or app is allowed, remove it to restore normal alerts. Make sure any focus mode linked to DND is turned off, and check automation apps that may re-enable the setting. Once done, exit and test by sending a test. Finish by testing. Send a message or trigger a notification to confirm sounds and banners return. If nothing changes, restart your device. That often clears stuck states. Make sure your OS is up to date because bugs can keep Do Not Disturb stuck on. If it still misbehaves, reset notification settings or toggle network and sound permissions for the app in question. One key tip: reboot in safe mode or disable automation briefly to rule out third-party interference before doing a full settings reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.